Look at this stupid ad. It's an oil mower. Take two. You put gasoline in it, and it's remote control, and it mows for you. I'm filming an ad because I'm bombarded with ads. And other people get to make money and I don't. Well, where am I going with this? This is all screwed up. Here's Hero Wars. So that's nice. You can just sit on your butt, and mow the lawn. That's nice. Wonder how much that thing costs. Okay, I'm supposed to be playing. See what a waste of time all these ads are for me. Okay. And then I'm trying to make money on Hero Wars. I spent 10 million coins. No, 100 million. I pumped it all into my characters to make them better. Okay, this is a stupid video. I got off on the wrong track. I couldn't figure out how to say gas-powered mower. Dang. I'll never get 100 million subscribers at this point. Atlas Earth. That's going to take a while. What I really want to show you is the snow hell. Okay, let's go outside. That's why I'm not smoking right now. I can't wait to have a cigarette. Okay, it's snow time. Look at this. Oh, it's a misery. Why am I in Nevada? I don't know. There's some seagulls up there. Okay. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna go to the tobacco store, I think. Alright, this is a stupid video. I shouldn't even put this up. Well, because I don't make myself look good. Well, I'm really good at doing that. Oh my goodness. Who knows? This video might get 100 hits. Hey, my phone dropped. Well, that's okay. Alright. I slept well. Let's just talk. See? The pie tins. That's when I put my camera on. So you can see my ugly face. Okay. Atlas Earth. My goodness. It's hard to keep the devices charged when you don't have a home. So I'm documenting my homelessness. My girlfriend said she'll be here on Tuesday. We'll see what happens. It's kind of hard to travel when there's snow. So I called the Labor Works place. No one was there to answer the phone. One woman told me to call on both Saturday and Sunday because they had a job with Enterprise rental cars where you sit there and you detail cars. They always come up with different words, but you're cleaning cars like a little itch. I said itch, not bitch. Okay. Man, this is a real waste of time video. Thanks for hanging in there if you're listening to me. I'm trying to be entertaining, but it's not working too well. Okay, Hero Wars. Cigarettes. I'm low on tobacco. Thankfully, I have enough money to buy another bag of 4 aces. Man, being homeless sucks. I just talked to a woman at Walmart that I see all the time when I come here. She's worked there for 17 years. She makes $17.54 an hour. And people that are hired now make $17 an hour. So there's loyalty for you. After 17 years of working here, she's really struggling to get by. And my job didn't pay much better, and I was doing manual labor. There's something wrong in this country going on, where corporations are buying up houses and they just sit there. And they buy them just to have them, and then no one lives in them. And there's 1 million homeless people in the United States. And I'm one of them right now. Except I'm doing better than most people. I have a car I can live in, and I have a food card. I'm living the high life. Oh my God, I'm rich compared to a lot of people. It's just not good enough. Now we got really wealthy people in LA without homes. Isn't that great? Oh yeah, I was thinking about Smokey the Bear. Only you can prevent forest fires. Well, only you can prevent fires. No one mentioned Smokey the Bear, so I thought I'd bring him up. I grew up watching those commercials endlessly. Only you can prevent LA fires. So all that advertising went to waste. You can't put out a fire without water in the hydrant. And no water in the reservoir. That's a human error. A fixable one. Didn't they know by now? Would this have happened in the past? Well, I think they probably had better management 20 years ago. Okay. I'm just wasting your time now. I'm sorry about that. I don't have any material. I always have material. Yeah, I'd like to just make YouTube videos every day. Get paid for that. It's easy work. I get to sit at Starbucks and drink coffee. My battery's running out. I have to make this 8 minutes long. This is the worst video I ever made. Okay, I got my 8 minutes. Thanks for watching. This is a miserable video. I'm not proud of it. Well, all I did was not be able to say, gasoline-powered mower. Gasoline-powered, remote-controlled mower. Okay, that's the name of this video.